everyone, this is Teacher Cheska and we are now on day 2 of your science modules, and this will be for 8:30 to 11:30 in the morning. We will be using module 2, the effects of lifestyle on the functioning of respiratory and circulatory system. Our objective for this module is for you to be able to infer how lifestyle can affect the functioning of respiratory and circulatory system. We shall begin by answering what I know. This is your pre-test. So guys, on your answer sheet sa yellow pad paper, isulat na po nato dito inyong name, section, and module 2 science, and ibutang nato what I know pre-test. And then number your papers 1 to 10. Okay. Answers only, so please choose the best answer among the choices, all in capital letters. Okay? Pagkauman natog answer ana, let us proceed to lesson 1. So here, you have to read this. So it's all about the respiratory and circulatory diseases. Okay? And as you know that if your respiratory and circulatory system is not working properly, a human being can have diseases, and if not treated early and properly, this may lead to death. Okay. Here, you will not be answering this in your answer sheets, but if you have on your science notebook, you may answer them. So you can just write the things that you want to know and the things that you have learned. Let us continue. We are now on page 3. Okay. So here, it says here that respiratory disease that affect your airways and lungs can be caused by infection, smoking cigarettes, or breathing in secondhand cigarette smokes and other sources of air pollution. So these are the causes. What are the effects? These are the diseases associated with the respiratory system. So you have here asthma, common cold, pneumonia, influenza, bronchitis, tuberculosis, and the coronavirus disease 2019. So please forgive the background. But let us continue. So mo daw ni siya pwede nimo makuha na mga sakit. Okay? So these are all related to your respiratory system. After reading all about that, you can continue to circulatory disease. These are diseases that cause interruption, blockage, and somehow affect your heart or blood vessels when they pump blood. So, diseases of the blood vessels and the heart are also known as cardiovascular diseases. So, when it comes to circulatory diseases, these are in general, no? Everything related to your circulatory system. Pero kung particular or specific, related siya sa blood vessels and your heart, then ang tawag pud ana kay cardiovascular diseases. Okay. What are the possible diseases under circulatory diseases? You have atherosclerosis. Let me get back to that. Atherosclerosis. Okay. Not familiar with the term, but let's continue. This is okay. And then you also have a stroke, hypertension, or this is another name for high blood pressure. So, kani siya medyo mas common ni, no? Kanang pagmasok ko, nikag na high blood jud ko anak niya. So, muna siya, hypertension ang tawag jud anak niya. So, or high blood pressure. Then, of course, heart attack. So, kani siya, common pud ni siya. So again, these are often or more common in males. Okay? So let's continue. On your weekly home learning plan, it says you continue to read page 3 to 5. Okay. So they're now page 4. And then prevention. Okay. Prevention is always better than the treatment or the cure. Diba? So, meron nga saying, there's a saying, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of a cure. Okay? So, diseases of both respiratory and circulatory system should not be taken for granted because they can be deadly. Yes, makapatay. So, what are the ways to prevent, ways to prevent respiratory and circulatory diseases? So, you have here a list. Okay, pasahon. Alright? And of course, not just read about it, but you have to follow. Okay? And then, for this morning, you also need to answer, what's more? Okay. So, this is very simple. So, you write on your answer sheets, what's more? And then, the numbers 1 to 10. Okay? You just have to choose the correct word inside the box to complete the sentence it is being described. So, number 1. Blank is the inflammation or swelling of bronchial tube lining. Okay. So, you just choose which one of that is here. Now, these diseases that are here are both for circulatory and respiratory diseases. So, where can you find what they mean? Na siya dito, ganina. So, that's why it's important na basahon to tanan. Kato na sa pages 1 to 5. Okay? And after doing this, pagkauman ani, you can proceed, bupadayon na din ta to here, activity number 2. So, it says here under what's new, that what you eat or the activity that you do each day affects your health and how you feel now in the future. So, it says here that lifestyle is defined as someone's way of living that a person or particular group of people usually do. So, your lifestyle has a direct effect on the organs of your respiratory and circulatory system. After reading about this, you have to answer activity number 2. So, in your answer sheet, sa yellow pad, isulat usab. Activity number 2, healthy and unhealthy lifestyle. So, the objective of this activity is to identify practices that promote healthy lifestyle. Okay? So, you just choose the following lifestyle from the box that should go under the column healthy or unhealthy. Now, dili na ni siya kinalan kopyahon, kanina lang, no? Kanina lang box. So, kung sina din ni, isulat dayon nimo din ni. Kung, for example, eat fruits and vegetables. Will that promote healthy lifestyle or unhealthy lifestyle? Yes, it's very obvious. Eating fruits and vegetables will give you a healthy lifestyle. So, inyo mo na siya isulat din ha. Okay? So, in your yellow pad, kanilang ang ikopya. But don't forget to put activity number 2, healthy and unhealthy lifestyle. Then, you copy the box. And then, you just copy your answers from here. No? So, kung aha siya na column, no, of the box. Alright? So, that's it for this morning's activity. And then, you may now take your break afterwards. Alright? Thank you and see you again. Bye!